Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of GTX 1060 3GB edition by ASUS. It's a single fan edition. I managed to pick this up at a local exchange website for £100, so it should be about 120 US dollars. This is the packaging. Opening it up. You get it in a static bag. Like that. Should be a tape here. And if you look inside, it's got no back plate. It has all the covers. If I zoom in, it's got a DVI here. Then it should have all the ports. Here you can see it has a DVI port and 2 HDMIs and 2 display ports. As I said, it's a single fan unit and it needs a 6-pin power connector. I'll be upgrading my existing 1060 in my rig and replacing it with this new, replacing the 670 with this 1060. So that video is coming soon too.